Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram incorrect password problem. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your Instagram application. And just like that, make sure there are no typos. Instagram password are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters, numbers, and special characters. You can try typing your password in the Notes app first, then copy and paste it into Instagram. If it says incorrect, you can simply tap on Forgot Password. Then enter your email address, phone number, or username. Tap on Send Login Link. Follow the instructions sent to your email or phone number. And if the email does not show up, check your spam folder and make sure you are using the correct email link to your account. If you cannot reset your password normally, you can use Instagram official account recovery form. Head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and just like that, inside here, simply search for Instagram login help. Simply select I cannot access this email or phone number and then fill out the form. Also, sometimes the problem is within the app. Head back to your home screen and then simply long press on Instagram, tap on Delete app, then tap on Delete app again. Just like that, reinstall the app from the App Store and then try logging in again. And after that, if your account was disabled for violating Instagram rules, you would not be able to log in. So, to fix it, you must submit an appeal. And that's it. That is how you can fix Instagram incorrect password problem. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.